To use Azure SQL Scale Up, you need to understand the concept of scaling and its importance in database management. Scaling up refers to increasing the power of your database server to handle increased workload and improve performance. First, log into the Azure portal and navigate to your Azure SQL database. In the Overview section, you will see the current pricing tier and the database transaction units. If you need to scale up, click on the pricing tier to open the Configure page. On the Configure page, you can choose from various service tiers, including General Purpose, Business Critical, and Hyperscale. Each tier has different characteristics, such as storage capacity, IOPS, and memory. Choose the tier that best suits your needs and budget. When scaling up, consider the number of database transaction units you need. Database transaction units are a measure of the relative power of your database server. The more database transaction units you have, the more powerful your server is. To scale up, select the desired service tier and database transaction units, and then click Apply. The scaling process will take a few minutes to complete, and during this time, your database will be available but with limited functionality. It is essential to monitor your database performance after scaling up to ensure that it is meeting your requirements. You can use Azure Monitor to track performance metrics, such as CPU usage, memory usage, and storage usage. Best practices for scaling up include regularly reviewing your database performance, scaling up during maintenance windows to minimize downtime, and testing your database after scaling up to ensure it is working as expected. In conclusion, scaling up your Azure SQL database is a straightforward process that can significantly improve performance and support business growth. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a smooth and successful scaling up process.